Oh, how the seasons do change, blending gently from one to the other, fusing colour, a spectrum so wide from Earth's nature, our beautiful mother. With kindness and love we plant our seeds, we nurture their growth to fruition. Like the plants, we all grow as one and develop without competition.
I was at my lowest before I joined Framework was when I was drinking heavily.
When they told me I got to have a liver transplant, that means I was dying. You can't get no lower than that.
6 years ago, when I had a lot of bereavement in the family, and that made me very depressed and isolated and anxious of the world.
My life was going nowhere, basically I was at rock bottom. I just couldn't see anything happening in my life.
My routine was get up in the morning, have a drink, and just drink all day long, more or less. None of that now. Got a new life. I've got a second chance.
Since I've engaged in Framework with Gateway to Nature, that's changed my life quite considerably for the better.
After going to various agencies, and they referred me and said, you know, to get out and see nature, that sort of.
He's helped me a lot, hell of a lot. With me being alcoholic, recovering alcoholic, I should say. He gets me out, takes me to different places I didn't know existed, like you said earlier, you know. And I love that. I love being out.
It gives me something to look forward to. It gives me something to write in my diary, otherwise it remains empty.
My life, more or less. Give me something to do. And now I tend to drink for like 4 years. So to get on my life, haven't
Well, I'm definitely more confident, and maybe I want to come in front of the camera.
With all of life's hardship and pain, when the light of hope is so hard to see, I wander along to this place and thank for this quaint sanctuary.